Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this scrub for face. Cut a cucumber into small chunks. Put in food processor and puree until smooth. Cucumber is great when applied to your skin for the same reasons that's so good for your body when you eat it. It's packed full of antioxidants. It's loaded with anti-inflammatories. It contains beneficial nutrients such as vitamin A, B1, C, biotin, and potassium. Cucumber also lightens, brightens, hydrates, tones. Well, we have here about 3 teaspoons of cucumber, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a few drops of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients together. And apply to skin and scrub in slow circular motions. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Pat it dry and follow up with a moisturizer. This scrub will leave your skin feeling squeaky clean, glowing, and just downright beautiful. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.